Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of enthusiastic wood carving art ideas for home decor. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Wood carving is an ancient art form that has delighted and inspired generations. The tactile beauty of wood, combined with the intricate craftsmanship of skilled hands, produces stunning decorative pieces that can transform any living space. Artistic wood carving encompasses a broad spectrum of styles, techniques and applications, making it a versatile choice for home decor. In exploring artistic wood carving art ideas, we can discover various ways to incorporate this timeless craft into our homes, enhancing both aesthetics and atmosphere. One of the most popular forms of wood carving used in home decor is decorative wall art. These pieces can range from simple abstract forms to intricate representations of nature, animals, or cultural motifs. Carved wooden wall art can serve as a striking focal point in any room. For instance, a large wooden panel depicting flowing leaves or stylized animals can add a touch of nature and elegance, creating a serene atmosphere in a living room or hallway. These pieces can be left in their natural state for a rustic look, or painted and finished to complement existing decor themes. Another idea is to create custom wood signs. Hand-carved wooden signs can convey personal messages, quotes, or even house numbers in a unique way. Imagine a beautifully crafted sign bearing your family's name or a motivational quote hanging above your entryway. The warm tones of the wood combined with elegant lettering make for an inviting and personalized touch to your home. You can choose different font styles and sizes to match your aesthetic, whether you prefer a classic look or something more whimsical. In addition to wall art, intricate wood carvings can also enhance furniture pieces. Carved details on chairs, tables, or cabinets add a distinctive character that elevates the whole piece. For example, a dining table with delicately carved legs or a sideboard adorned with floral patterns can become a conversation starter. Not only does this form of art offer unmatched beauty, but it also speaks to the craftsmanship that goes into each item. Custom furniture pieces can be tailored to your home's style, incorporating specific designs that resonate with your personal taste. Wooden sculptures can serve as impressive accent pieces on shelves, countertops, or mantels. These three-dimensional artworks often capture natural forms, such as trees or animals, and can range from abstract to realistic styles. A sculpted bird perched on a branch or a flowing abstract design can add depth and interest to any surface. These pieces can be made from different types of wood, allowing each sculpture to possess its own unique grain and texture. Displaying such carvings in various lighting can enhance their features, offering daily enjoyment from different angles. For those looking to incorporate functionality into their artistic endeavors, consider creating carved bowls or trays. These practical items showcase the beauty of wood while also serving a purpose in everyday life. A hand-carved wooden bowl can be used for fruit, snacks, or decorative purposes, while a tray can elegantly present appetizers during gatherings. The organic shapes and rich textures inherent in the wood can transform mundane items into artistic pieces that enhance dining experiences and add charm to kitchen decor. Candlesticks and candle holders are another delightful application of wood carving art. A beautifully carved wooden candlestick can provide both function and elegance, casting soft light throughout your home. The warm glow of a candle against the intricacies of carved wood creates a serene and calming atmosphere. You can experiment with different heights and styles of candlesticks to create an interesting arrangement on your dining table or mantel. This combination of artistry and practicality can elevate any setting, especially during gatherings or cozy evenings. Incorporating wood carving into home decor can also extend to decorative boxes. These can be used for storage or display purposes, holding everything from jewelry to keepsakes. A carved wooden box with intricate designs offers both beauty and utility. Each box can be customized in terms of shape, size, and design, making it a unique addition to any room. Imagine a beautiful, intricately carved box sitting on your dresser, serving as both storage for jewelry and a striking decorative piece. Moreover, lighting fixtures like lamps made from carved wood can bring warmth and uniqueness to your space. A floor lamp with a beautifully carved base or a hanging light fixture made of layered wood slices can become a statement piece. The interplay of shadows created by the carved designs can add depth to the atmosphere and create a perfect ambience for relaxing evenings. When choosing a lighting fixture, consider designs that harmonize with your overall decor scheme while showcasing the beauty of the wood. Wood carving can also embrace a cultural or historical significance, reflecting regional artistry and traditions. Artisans around the world have their unique approaches to wood carving, often influenced by local customs and materials. For example, Scandinavian and Asian wood carving styles offer intricate, bold designs that tell stories rooted in their cultural heritage. By incorporating these styles into your home decor, you not only enhance the aesthetic experience but also infuse your space with rich narratives and histories. One creative way to engage with wood carving is through personal projects that allow you to explore your artistic talents. Engaging in wood carving as a hobby can lead to beautiful and personalized decor. Start with simple projects such as carving coasters, keychains, or small trinkets, and gradually progress to larger pieces, such as wall art or furniture. This hands-on approach not only develops practical skills but also creates unique items that resonate deeply with you. Each piece can serve as a reflection of your journey through the creative process, making your home decor even more meaningful. For those who may not want to create their own pieces but still appreciate the charm of wood carving, supporting local artisans is a wonderful option. Many talented woodworkers craft exquisite pieces that showcase their artistry and craftsmanship. By purchasing handmade wood carvings, you not only bring unique art into your home but also support the preservation of traditional skills and techniques. Often, these pieces come with stories and backgrounds detailing the artist's inspirations, further enriching your decor. Incorporating wood carving into home decor is a celebration of nature, tradition, and artistry. The tactile quality of wood combined with the skilled craftsmanship of carving results in a connection between the artist, the material, and the viewer. Each carved piece tells a story, whether through intricate details or bold designs, allowing your decor to reflect not just beauty but also personality and meaning. Additionally, as trends in interior design evolve, the demand for artisanal and handmade elements continues to grow. Artistic wood carvings offer a timeless appeal, allowing them to seamlessly integrate into various design styles, from contemporary minimalism to classic elegance. Their natural materials resonate with the increasing interest in sustainability, reflecting an appreciation for craftsmanship and quality over mass production. Moreover, wood carving art can effectively bridge the gap between traditional and modern design. The combination of sleek lines with rustic elements creates a harmonious balance that appeals to a wide audience. Whether you prefer minimalist designs or detailed carvings, there is always a way to adapt wood carving art to suit your vision and space. In conclusion, artistic wood carving provides endless possibilities for enhancing home decor, blending functionality with beauty and tradition with modernity. From wall art and sculptures to practical household items, the charm of wood carving brings warmth and character to any environment. By incorporating these ideas into your home, you not only celebrate the artistry of wood carving but also create an atmosphere rich with creativity, personal expression, and appreciation for nature's timeless materials. Engaging with wood carving art creates a lasting impact that enriches your living space, infusing it with warmth, elegance, and meaning. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.